In this lecture, I am going to explain on Python standard library. And the standard library functions are available in Python software. Then what is library? For every programming language, there will be one library. One is the standard library. Whenever you provide anything, first it will search for library. According to the file present in the library, only it will function the program. Similarly, we previous language, C language, C plus Java, there are so many library functions are there for the Python also. You have some Python standard library. So the available Python standard library are nothing but first one is operating system interface, and second one is file wildcards, and next one is command line parameters, and next error output redirection. The fifth one is string regular matches, and sixth mathematics, and seven internet access, and eighth one date and time, ninth one date compression, and 10th one performance measurement, and 11th one quality control, and 12th one Swiss Army knife. What are these 12 standard libraries mentioned here? These are present in the Python standard library, which cannot be changed, and also submodules can be manipulated also to support standard library in order to function the program. Every time you create a logic in program, that will search in first standard library and then function it accordingly. First one is operating system interface. Suppose you, I will explain practically now what happened when this. Just observe this one. First, open Python software. We'll see one by one. Just model one thing. I'll explain remaining things you have to practice. First one is import OS dot get CWD. See, this path will search from the Python standard library and will display the result. How we will display this one? We don't have any logic. Just we'll print according to this os.getCWD. CWD. Okay. What is this one? Return the current working directory. Just we are working in this current directory, Python. So this the Python version name -32. This is the path we have to look at it. Okay. Suppose you want to change directory. How will the CHDA stands for change directory? OS dot CHDIR. Give any some directory what you have. Something will work on this now. Why you are getting this one? The system cannot find the path specified. Suppose you are having this one, no? Suppose you want to change the directory. How will you change the directory? Why I get this one as default every time? Because I installed in C drive where it want to store permanently in this, because I am the administrator of Kondori. So it will remain like this only. So it cannot find the path specified. Okay. So run the command mkdir in the system. How we will run this? How will run like this? First, os dot system mkdir today -1. How we will get this -1? Initial. It will provide from the library. According to this one only, it will display as -1 only. Okay, these values will be determined by the Python compiler searching in the standard library. Okay, don't try to by heart this one. Just understand how the functioning is going to happen. How I am running this. This is called operating system interface. Suppose you want to work some more thing. You want to work some more thing. Import OS dir open parenthesis OS. You will get like this. What are these things called? Okay, this will search in the Python standard library where this operating system commands are there. Everything will be displayed to us. There are so many things like this. Okay, everything we learned in the operating system subject: fork, random text, trunk, next execution, kill, remove, open, rename, symbolic links, sometimes truncate, umask, urandom, utime, wait period. It's so many things like this. That we cannot write anything. Okay, everything will be determined by the Python standard library only. This operating system. Okay, here what your one more thing is shuttle module is there. It is easy to use, and how we'll see once. Previously we have OS, now SH shuttle. Okay, HUTIL dot. So I'm explaining completely practically so that you will understand how it's going on. Let us uh, consider this entire thing now and work on this. You don't have directory now. Okay. Anyways, no problem. Actually, this should be present here, but you need to understand the shuttle only. Okay. Shuttle dot. First, how we will see now? File open. What you are having directories here? Python. In Python, what directories are there? Some files are there, right? So one dot p copy file, one dot, this is source and this is destination. However, you can build on your own. Settle dot copy file. Assume that you are having file name one dot py, n dot py. Just you copied from file, this one. See, every time you have to give meaningful according to your system specified. Suppose if you install Python software in your laptop, you just observe the path and you check the files. So the existing path is there. You are going to copy the new thing, you have to observe. In this example, 1.py is existing one and 10.py is destination. Okay. Now you have to observe like this. Okay, copy file this one. Similarly, shuttle.move. Okay, shuttle.move. So one dot. Assume that you have 10.py. Assume that you are having another one 11.py. So 11.py will be there because you just moved to 11.py only. That's why it depends. This is the example of operating system interface. Okay, I hope you got benefited with these examples. Okay, anyway, errors come quite natural. Based on the errors only, you'll get strong in programming. No need to get panic regarding these errors. This type of errors exist common. Okay, no need to worry. And second one is wildcards. What are wildcards? Wildcard means asterisk symbol there, whatever there you will get it. Suppose what these are all present in the standard library. Okay, don't get worry why this new one are there. Suppose import globe. This is large object where it present in the Python library. Yes, absolutely. 1.py, 11.py, and to everything, whatever you are having there in your files, these files are present in my laptop. What I taught these programs for the other students like this. These programs will be displayed. Okay, globally, large objects, whatever there, will display everything. Each and every file can be treated as one object, right? Likewise, you need to get this is called file wildcards. If you enter the star, that will display all the properties of the files objects are there. Okay, that is the concept of file wildcards. The global generating list of files from a directory wildcard searching. Next, command line parameters. Suppose import sys means system print sys dot argv. Yes, you are not having any arguments, right? That's why it will print like this, just single quotes. Suppose if you give space, in this no arguments are there, just like this it will print. Okay, in Linux it will handle the system.org, or any complex commands it will handle in Linux. Okay, next error output redirection and program termination. If you get any error, just it will either redirect or terminate. Okay. Yes, 49. This 49 number, how you will know you will get 49? Because Python compiler will search for this and find a new one, that is 49, right? Next one is string regular matches. What is RE? Regular expression you will pronounce as RE only. So RE dot find all F star single quotes comma. Still you didn't finish. Once again I'll type this program RE dot find all, or this is single quotes like this, which would everything you'll type like this and print enter. So okay, okay, no problem. Please observe carefully what I am doing. It's like regular expression, no? If any single wrong, single quotation wrong, entire thing will get problem. We have to work on this one. re.find all or some space. Here you are giving re.find all or okay, each and every bracket get closed now. Syntax error. And there's some problem with this in Windows. Okay, don't get worried. Um, I think everything. This string regular matches is what regular action tools for advanced string processing. For a complex matching and processing, regular provide a simple optimized solution, right? Okay, for this you need to provide solution. That's why it mentioned like this. Okay, this is not a solution for this what I mentioned because syntax wrong. We need to get a desired solution. Suppose next mathematics import math dot cos dot pi by 4.0. What is pi value? 22 by 7. 22 by 7 by 4. How much you are getting? 0.70. That means 22 by 28. You divide like this, you will get the value. Okay. Everything will be imported from maths only. Okay. Similarly, you can apply for other things also. 10. Okay. Like this. And random numbers also play an important role. Import random random dot sample range will get like this value. How means range from it will range from 10 to 100 anything. It's a random numbers. These are nothing but random numbers. 22, 95, 79, 30. These are nothing but random numbers. Okay. So, okay. Like this you have to apply this one. Everything will be determined mathematically. Okay. Random. According to the random numbers, you will get the this value random. Okay, everything will determine from standard library only. Mathematics also. Likewise, you have to run this one. And what is this internet access? This internet access is for mainly network communication, like uniform resource library request. Okay, first you need to use from URL lib import, and for line in URL open. For example, you run like this. Some space problem. Otherwise, you can run like this also. Remove these three dots. Why so confusion? URL open is not defined. So for this reason, what you have to do, you have to include this one also, no? Because you need to open the URL. Files, request, okay? We'll get like create connection, host, port number, like this. So likewise, you have to use this one, okay? There are modules will be taken from the library only, internet access. And what about this date? So date and time you need to observe carefully. Let's close this one. Now, again, date. So now date. Observe carefully what I am doing, because why I am doing like this means you'll get so many errors as if you like, okay? Just you need to observe every statement very carefully. Just look at what I am doing completely practical. I can teach within 10 minutes, I can go, but this it won't work. But I'm just demonstrating practically. Just let us run what we are getting, we'll see. Date, time, dot, date. Okay. Anyway, date and time like this, we'll see. Now next one is import shed LIP. Some issue with the date and time previously. Anyway, I'll see once again. S is equal to B. Import jet S is equal to B. You have to give this entire thing. S is equal to B length of, yes. Here the following directly covered common data pack in compression format only. S is equal to something you are giving. Okay. Here what you are doing, this one compress. Otherwise you can give directly. Okay. Just 41. Yeah, just keep out that B, okay. That B won't work here because that's a small technical issue. And now T is equal to, just you are compressing now, you are just mentioning that one in bytes. T is equal to Z compress, yes. Bytes like is equal to not string. Compress, yes, but yes, you are getting like this length, yes, and you need to compress, okay, yes. Z lib dot compress. Some won't function because something maybe work in Linux OS, okay. Okay, don't worry about that, but this is a syntax concept you need to understand, okay. Performance measurement. Here some timers are there to provide the performance. Whatever working here, just try. If at all, we'll see once again. But this is the concept of standard library. If library supports everything, then the entire thing will be displayed properly. Okay, this is working fine. Okay, you can consider this example. Whatever you are getting errors, don't get worry. Sometimes some operating system may support, some may not support. Anyway, the different aspect, but you need to know the syntax and concept. That's it. See, different things. Okay. And last, quality is very important. How much time, in within short time you need to perform everything, okay. That's very important. Yes, why means you're just, so here you are not considering the entire thing, we'll write in one file rather than in single. Remove this one. So quality, define average values, df, average. Return some values, okay. For this, what you are doing here, some results of the code will be like this, okay. Here you are not printing anything, that's why you are getting like this. That means here quality, if you are writing this, quality will be degraded because no result, just it will going like this only. You need to overcome this one, that's why you need to use print. Similarly, Swiss Army knife, last one. Main thing is one of the philosophy of the Swiss Army knife, where larger packages are there like XML, RPC, client, server. Client server message, client send the message, server will acknowledge it, and multiple internet mail extension are there, and so many library functions are there, and document object model internet packages.